Good evening. In today's tech news, Samsung has taken a significant lead over Apple by moving swiftly to invest in Perplexity AI, a startup focused on advanced AI-powered search technology. This strategic partnership aims to integrate Perplexity's AI search capabilities into Samsung's ecosystem, reducing the company's reliance on Google services. We'll dive into what this deal means for the future of AI search on mobile devices, how it could reshape digital assistants, and why it might put Apple at a competitive disadvantage. Sources close to the deal reveal that Samsung is in advanced talks to embed Perplexity's AI-powered search and assistant functionalities directly into its upcoming flagship devices, including the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Edge. The plan is to pre-install Perplexity's search app and assistant on these devices, as well as integrate AI-driven search features into Samsung's proprietary web browser, delivering users a smarter and more personalized search experience out of the box. One major focus is to incorporate Perplexity's AI into Samsung's virtual assistant, Bixby. This would mark a substantial upgrade from Bixby's current capabilities, potentially enabling natural language conversational search, contextual understanding, and more intuitive user interactions. Powered by Perplexity's cutting-edge AI models, Samsung aims to officially announce this integration in the coming months, positioning Perplexity's AI assistant as the default helper on the next-generation Galaxy S26 series, slated for mid-2026 release. Although specific technical details remain under wraps and could evolve, Samsung's investment into Perplexity is part of a larger funding round that hopes to raise $500 million, valuing the startup at around $14 billion. This sizable capital infusion will help Perplexity scale rapidly and deepen its AI research, while offering Samsung a strategic edge. By diversifying away from Google's search dominance, Perplexity's growing reputation as a promising AI search engine has already attracted partnerships with other major players such as Motorola. However, Samsung's involvement marks its most significant collaboration within the mobile ecosystem. Industry analysts believe this move could disrupt the current search and AI assistant market by providing a viable alternative to Google Search and Google Assistant on millions of Samsung devices worldwide. Meanwhile, Apple has also shown interest in Perplexity, reportedly exploring a similar partnership to enhance Siri with next-generation AI search capabilities and reduce dependence on Google's search engine and OpenAI's ChatGPT. Eddie Q, Apple's senior vice president, has expressed admiration for Perplexity's technology during recent antitrust hearings involving Google. Internal discussions are reportedly underway at Apple, but Samsung's quicker engagement with Perplexity may complicate Apple's negotiations and strategic positioning. Furthermore, Samsung and Perplexity are reportedly discussing plans to co-develop an AI-integrated operating system designed to fully harness the power of AI technologies. While still in early stages, such a platform could revolutionize how users interact with their devices, offering deep AI integration at the OS level rather than through standalone apps. Both Samsung and Perplexity have declined official comments, but insiders confirm that negotiations began earlier this year and recently intensified during meetings in South Korea. As the AI arms race intensifies among tech giants, Samsung's early commitment to Perplexity may provide it a critical advantage in offering next-gen AI features natively on its devices. In summary, Samsung's strategic move to partner and invest in Perplexity AI places it ahead of Apple in the race to deliver smarter AI search and assistant experiences. This partnership not only reduces Samsung's dependence on Google, but also opens doors for collaborations with other AI innovators, shaping the future of AI-powered mobile ecosystems. Apple's interest remains, but Samsung's lead could force the tech giant to rethink its approach to AI search integration in upcoming products. We will continue to monitor developments in this evolving story. Thank you for joining us.